Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use Crave streaming app. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go to the Play Store and download the application. And once you download the application, you can open it, and here you can see this interface. Here on the bottom left side, you have the home menu, you have the TV shows, the movies, and on air or the streaming section. Now, if you want to start watching any one of these movies, shows, or anything, you need to subscribe to the streaming application. So you simply need to click on your profile icon on the top right side, just right here. Then once you go to the top here, you can find subscribe section. Click on subscribe. Then you should choose the subscription plan that is suitable to you. So you have here plans that are paid annually or monthly. You can choose between them. You have the premium, standard, the basic, and between, and each one of them has its own features. You can even go back to the settings and contact the support if you find any issue. And if you want to get to the frequently asked questions, here you have it, just right here in the settings. So this is how I can actually use it. If you want to watch the trailer of any movie, you can simply click on trailer right here. And if you want to start unlocking this movie or this series, you can simply click on start watching now, and you will have to pay in order to watch this movie. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.